Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video on how to resize my candy holders, as this is something I get asked about a lot. So I've brought in this St. Patrick's one, and if you look on the right hand side you can see that everything is grouped. If we click the eye on that side you can see that all of the pieces of the iris shutter disappear. Now here we have all of the pieces in another group. If I click it, I'm going to look at all these pieces. You can see how it's split down. I'm going to hide that piece, and I want this one with the largest hole. You can see there that the black piece has the largest holes, and then there are two pieces that are sitting behind, which are the smaller pieces. This is the main front piece. So if we click on it and we want to contour it, as you can see there's the outline of the hat and the circle. If you click the hat, you will be left with just the circle. So click out of it, and as you can see, that's 3.17. If we go up into the settings on the right hand side and we go to canvas, we change it to metric. As you can see, that's 8.05 centimeters. So that's an 8 centimeter dome size. So if we change this to 6, like that, I don't know why the size changes like that. It never used to do that in previous versions of Design Space, but it does now. So what we need to do now is click on that one again, contour it, and bring back the hat with the hole. Then we need to just click the eye so we can see everything again. And as you can see, everything has resized in the entire design because it's all grouped together. If I just show you, that now fits on top of there like that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take this one out of the canvas and I'll bring another one in just as another example to show you, as I know it's quite complicated. Again, add to canvas. So this one's an ice cream, and it's not grouped the same. So what we need to do is, see these two aren't in the group. We can pull them up like that, see the little line, and then if we pull it like that, you can see it's gone into that group. So again, what we'll do is we'll hide all the pieces of the iris shutter, and then we'll hide all the pieces. It doesn't matter which ones you use as long as they are the ones with the larger holes. So any of those that are showing now you could use. You can use the brown one, the pink one, or this black one. The black one's slightly more complicated because it has all these pieces. But basically what we want to do is we want to get it so we've just got the center circle. So if I hide all contours and then just make sure that the center circle is showing only. Click out, and again we should have a circle of 8.05 centimeters. Again, change it. If it's 7, change to 7. I'm using 6 as an example. Then go back to contour. You might have to click hide all contours and show all contours a couple of times on this one. It sometimes doesn't do it quite right, but we're basically wanting to bring it back so it looks like it did. Let me see. Yeah, show all contours. There we go. And then click all of these eyes again. And as you can see, everything's coming back in this new resized size, if you will. Oh, I've missed a bit there. Hang on. There we go. And that is how you resize them. They're all resized now. They will fit a 6 centimeter dome. I hope that helps. Any questions, drop me a message in the comments below. Thank you. Please follow and subscribe. Bye.